In this video, I'm going to show you a quick trick to check if your TV remote is working or not, using nothing more than your smartphone camera. Here's how it works. Most TV remotes use infrared light to send signals to your TV. The problem is, infrared is invisible to the human eye, but your phone's camera can pick it up. Step 1. Grab your phone. Open the camera app on your smartphone. Both front and back cameras work, but the rear camera usually gives a clearer view. Step 2. Point the remote. Take your TV remote and point the infrared sensor, the small light at the front of the remote, directly at your phone's camera. Step 3. Press any button while looking through the camera screen. Press any button on the remote. If your remote is working, you'll see a flashing white or purple light coming from the tip of the remote. That's the infrared signal. Step 4. No light. If you don't see any flashing light, try replacing the batteries and test again. If it still doesn't flash, the remote may be faulty and needs to be replaced. This simple trick works because your phone camera can see the infrared signals that your eyes can't. So, to sum it up, open your camera, point your remote, press a button, and check for the flashing light. It's the fastest way to confirm if your TV remote is working. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.